This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your HTML file is UTF-8 encoded so emoji render correctly. Open or create the HTML and include doctype HTML plus basic HTML head and body structure. Add meta charset equals UTF-8 inside head to avoid mojibake. Once done, choose your insertion method. Type the emoji directly, use numeric or named HTML entities, or plan to use an image or SVG sprite if you need consistent appearance across platforms. You now add the emoji using one of three methods depending on control needs. For the fastest route, paste the emoji character directly into your HTML content or attribute values. If you need stability across encodings, use numeric entities like &x1f600. Hex, or &128512. Decimal. If you require identical visuals across platforms, insert an img or inline SVG, and add a meaningful alt attribute for accessibility. Make sure to test in multiple browsers to verify appearance. You finish by styling and validating accessibility. Use CSS to set font family fallbacks that include emoji-capable fonts and adjust font size or line height to match surrounding text. Add area label or alt text when emoji convey meaning so screen readers understand intent. If an emoji fails to display, first confirm your file is saved as UTF-8 and the meta charset is present. Then try a different font fallback or switch to an image/SVG fallback. That troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.